This is the waterproof strip for the top. We need to install it before we unfold the expandable container house. Insert the concave part of the rubber strip into. Waterproof tape is attached on both sides according to this pattern. The open side wall top. Use the support legs to support the top of the wall. There's a safety latch here. Pull it open. Waterproof tape on the arrow.
New serial was recorded to the grill by me.
Tear off the tape and stick it on. Three sides are also covered with tape. This is what the finished product looks like. We need to screw it in. A total of 16 screws, 8 in the front and 8 in the back. This is the screw. Tighten the screw by hand first, then tighten it with an electric screwdriver. Bottom folded piece. The top folding piece is fixed with double-sided tape, and you can stick it however you want. This is what the folded parts look like. Congratulations! You have installed your house.